Well, it ran, but it's an issue with this fuel pump shit. So I got this motherfucker hold water. Oh, shit. Got water in there. But yeah, got water in this bitch. Oil, transmission fluid. So need to tighten up these lines. And then tomorrow we'll be ready for the go. Fuel pump. Done. It's getting fuel. I need to go get a fuel filter. And shit. That's about it really, y'all. Hook up that AC line. Nigga done knocked the boat out of that. Found the boat to go on that shit. Put the radiator support on there. So I'll probably put that on right now just to set it up there. But y'all see this motherfucker will turn over too. It will turn over. But it's a little update, man. We'll be ready to run. Gotta go pick my baby up from school, so it's over. Can't sit back and do no more. Gotta go get her. But yeah, y'all, just want y'all to see what I'm telling about. See the things that I'm doing. See what I got shaking and baking. Man, what the fuck? You see where the top go that fast, y'all? I set the fucking top at. Either I'm getting old than a motherfucker, dumb than a motherfucker. So I've been doing that lately. Misplacing shit, sitting somewhere, and it's right in my fucking face. I'm just giving y'all a little update, man. It ain't leaking shit. Majority of the lines is hooked up. Power steering hooked up. It's comical with this motherfucker. Y'all wanna see something? Look at this. Lighting up and shit. I know I wanna come back to life and start doing shit like that. Start lighting up. But yeah. It's today's events. What I've been doing with this motherfucker, man. This shit was hard, y'all. I ain't gonna front to you. I don't complain about shit. This motherfucking shit right here was something. But y'all gonna hear it run. Just work with me, man. I need some more people to come fuck with the channel, man. Fuck with me. Excuse my cussing, but you know, if y'all love me like y'all watch my Facebook, them stalkers, nigga, look at my Facebook, and I'm out of here. So I see the deal. You see the deal. See the deal.